Hey there, beautiful soul! Welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite wellness space. I'm your name, and today we're diving deep into something that could literally transform your entire life from the ground up. If you're ready to discover simple, powerful secrets to better health, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on life-changing content like this. Now, I want you to imagine something for a second. What if I told you that the key to fixing your back pain, your stress levels, your sleep quality, and even your mental clarity is literally right under your feet? I know it sounds almost too simple to be true, but here's the wild part. Over 70% of people walking around right now have some form of foot dysfunction, and they don't even know it. And here's what's even crazier. Your feet contain over 7,000 nerve endings, more than almost any other part of your body. That means your feet are like the control center for your entire well-being. So stick with me for the next 10 minutes because what you're about to learn could be the missing piece you've been searching for. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at your feet the same way again. All right, let's start with something that might blow your mind a little bit. Have you ever wondered why, when you're stressed, your whole body feels tense? Or why some days your neck is killing you, but you have no idea what you did to hurt it? Here's the thing most people don't realize. Your body is one incredible interconnected system, and your feet, they're the foundation of everything. Think about it this way. Imagine trying to build a beautiful house on a shaky foundation. What happens? The walls crack, the doors don't close properly, everything starts falling apart, right? That's exactly what's happening in your body when your feet aren't functioning properly. When your feet are weak, imbalanced, or in pain, your ankles compensate. Then your knees try to adjust. Then your hips shift differently. Your lower back curves differently. Your shoulders hunch, and boom, suddenly you've got neck pain and you're thinking, but I didn't do anything to my neck. It's all connected, my friend, every single part of you. And here's where it gets really interesting. Now, I want to share something with you that honestly changed my entire perspective on health and wellness. Remember those 7,000 nerve endings I mentioned? Well, in reflexology and traditional medicine systems that have been around for thousands of years, practitioners have known that your feet are mapped out like a mirror of your entire body. Your toes connect to your head and brain. The ball of your foot relates to your chest and lungs. The arch connects to your digestive organs. Your heel relates to your lower back and sciatic nerve. It's absolutely fascinating. But you don't have to believe in reflexology for this to work. Modern science backs this up too. When you stimulate the nerves in your feet, you're literally sending signals throughout your entire nervous system. And get this. When you properly engage your feet, you activate something called your parasympathetic nervous system. That's your rest and digest mode. That's the opposite of stress mode. So by simply taking care of your feet, you're telling your whole body, hey, it's okay, we're safe. You can relax, you can heal, you can restore. Pretty incredible, right? And here's something else that absolutely amazed me when I first learned about it. So what does all of this actually mean for you? What can you expect when you start giving your feet the attention they deserve? First off, pain relief. And I'm not just talking about foot pain, although yes, if you're dealing with plantar fasciitis or heel pain, this is going to be a game changer. I'm talking about knee pain, hip pain, lower back pain, and even neck and shoulder tension. When your feet work properly, everything above them can finally relax and align. Second, better balance and stability. This is huge, especially as we age, but honestly at any age. Better balance means fewer injuries, more confidence in movement, and a body that just feels more graceful and capable. Third, and this one surprised me, better sleep and reduced stress. Remember that parasympathetic activation we talked about? When you stimulate your feet properly, you're literally training your body to calm down and enter that healing state more easily. Fourth, improved circulation. When you work your feet, you're pumping blood and lymph fluid through your entire lower body, That means less swelling, less heaviness in your legs, and more energy overall. And here's the fifth one that honestly makes all of this worth it: mental clarity and focus. Imagine waking up with less pain, moving through your day with more ease, and going to bed feeling genuinely relaxed and peaceful. That's what we're talking about here. And the best part? The technique I'm about to show you is so simple, you can do it while watching TV, reading a book, or even working at your desk. All right, now let's get into the how-to. I'm going to walk you through this step by step, and I want you to feel completely confident doing this on your own. First things first, you'll need a ball. This can be a specialized massage ball, a lacrosse ball, or even just a tennis ball. Start with something softer if you're new to this, and you can work up to firmer balls as you get more comfortable. Step 1. Sit in a comfortable chair with your feet flat on the floor. Make sure you're in a position where you can put some weight into your foot, but you're not going to fall over or strain anything. Step 2. Place the ball under the middle part of your foot, right in that arch area. Not on your heel, not on your toes, but right in that middle zone. Step 3. Now gently lean your weight forward onto that ball. You want to feel pressure, but not pain. This should feel like a good hurt. That sensation that says, yes, this needs attention, but not, ouch, stop immediately. Step 4. Slowly roll the ball around, exploring your entire foot. Move it forward and backward. Move it in circular motions. Avoid the bony areas. We're working on the soft tissue, the muscles, the fascia. Here's the key part. As you're rolling, you're going to find tender spots. These are areas of tension, adhesions, or trigger points. When you find one of these spots, and you'll know it when you feel it, pause there. Hold pressure on that spot for about 15 to 30 seconds. You might feel the tension start to release. You might feel a weird tingly sensation. That's those nerves waking up. Breathe through it. Deep, slow breaths. After you've hit a few tender spots and given them some attention, continue rolling for another minute or so, keeping the movement fluid and exploratory. Then, switch to your other foot and repeat the entire process. Each foot should get about 2 to 3 minutes of attention. Now, when you first start doing this, sitting might be enough intensity, but as you get stronger and more comfortable, we're talking about after a couple of weeks, you can progress to doing this standing up. When you stand, you can put even more body weight into the ball, which creates deeper pressure and more intense release. Just make sure you have something nearby to hold on to for balance, especially when you first try it standing. Always listen to your body. If something feels wrong, ease up. This should never cause sharp pain or make anything feel worse. We're looking for therapeutic discomfort, not injury. Okay, so now you know the technique, but here's the thing. Knowing something and actually doing it consistently are two very different things, right? So let me give you some real, practical advice on how to make this a genuine habit that sticks. First, start small. Don't try to do this for 10 minutes a day right out of the gate. Start with just 2 minutes per foot, 3 times a week. That's it. Make it so easy you can't say no. Second, attach it to something you already do. Maybe you do this every morning with your coffee. Maybe you do this every evening while you watch your favorite show. Habit stacking is one of the most powerful techniques for creating lasting change. Third, keep your ball somewhere visible. Put it next to your couch, by your desk, on your bathroom counter. If you see it, you'll remember to use it. Fourth, pay attention to how you feel. This is the fun part. Notice when your back pain decreases. Notice when you sleep better. Notice when you feel less stressed. These positive results will be your biggest motivation to keep going. And here's my final piece of advice. Give it time. Your feet have been neglected for years, maybe decades. They're not going to transform overnight. Commit to doing this regularly for at least 3 to 4 weeks before you decide if it's working. But I genuinely believe that if you show up for yourself consistently, you're going to be amazed at the difference this makes. So, there you have it, friend. A simple, powerful practice that can truly transform your health from the ground up. Your feet carry you through every single day of your life. They deserve your attention. They deserve your care. And when you give them that care, your whole body, your whole life benefits. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried foot rolling before? Do you struggle with any of the issues we talked about? Back pain, stress, sleep problems, balance issues? Drop a comment down below and let me know. I read every single comment and I love connecting with you all. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It helps more people discover this content and transform their health too. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. I've got another amazing video right here that I think you're going to love. It's all about simple daily habits that reduce inflammation and boost energy. Go check that out next. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for investing in yourself and your health. Remember, small, consistent actions create incredible results. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care of those beautiful feet and take care of yourself.